Hello, cybersecurity professionals and network administrators. Today, we're diving deep into C2 over HTTPS with domain fronting, a highly stealthy technique that advanced malware and APTs use to hide their command and control traffic by disguising it as normal HTTPS requests to major cloud providers like AWS CloudFront, Microsoft Azure CDN, and Google Cloud CDN. C2, or command and control, is the critical infrastructure that allows attackers to remotely control compromised systems, send beacons for commands, exfiltrate stolen data, and download additional payloads. Traditionally, C2 traffic stands out because it relies on non-standard ports and protocols, such as IRC over TCP port 6667, which are easily flagged by signature-based detection tools. However, HTTPS fundamentally changes this by encrypting everything over standard TCP port 443, making it indistinguishable from legitimate web browsing. In this approach, malware encapsulates its C2 commands within legitimate-looking HTTPS requests, such as POST or GET methods, targeted at cloud-hosted domains. For example, an AWS S3 bucket or Azure Blob Storage, where payloads are encoded in formats like JSON or XML inside the request body. This blends malicious traffic seamlessly with everyday user activity. A prime example is Cobalt Strike, developed by Raphael Maj, which since version 3.0 in 2017 has featured malleable C2 profiles for customizable HTTPS communications and was implicated in 60 to 70% of ransomware attacks, according to the 2021 Sophos report. Domain fronting takes HTTPS C2 evasion to the next level by exploiting flaws in CDN routing. During the TLS handshake, the client specifies a legitimate front-end hostname in the server name indication field, such as www.amazonaws.com, or one of over 2,000 Google subdomains like clients1.google.com. While inside the encrypted TLS tunnel, the HTTP host header directs to the malicious backend server, for instance, evilserver.cloudfront.net. CDNs like CloudFront route traffic based on the host header rather than SNI, allowing the C2 server on the CDN edge or origin to process commands and return responses via the same covert path. This was popularized for censorship evasion in 2015 by apps like Signal and Siphon, then adopted by malware as reported by FireEye in 2017 with groups like Morphine APT. Though major providers like Google, AWS, and Azure implemented host header normalization bans around 2018, blocking about 95% of cases per Cloudflare analysis. Yet variants persist via misconfigurations in CDNs like Fastly and Akamai, appearing in 4.2% of over 10 million malware samples per any.run 2023 data. This powerful combination evades deep packet inspection, signature-based detection, intrusion detection systems, and firewalls because the traffic appears as innocuous HTTPS to trusted providers. SNI shows whitelist domains, CDN IPs have stellar reputations, and encryption hides the payload from DPI. Statistics underscore the challenge. Palo Alto Network's 2022 report cites 85% evasion rates against traditional signature tools, as this blends perfectly into massive volumes like AWS 1.5 trillion daily requests in 2023. To defend against C2 over HTTPS with domain fronting, stay vigilant by monitoring cloud traffic for anomalies like high beacon rates to single CDN IPs. Implement JA3 and JA3S TLS fingerprinting as used by Cloudflare and Elastic. Host TLS HTTP host header inspection via proxies like Zscaler, and analyze Cloud WEF logs. Thanks for watching. Keep your network secure.